Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Lexus ES350 headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is about half full for an accurate reading. Then, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. This measurement is crucial for proper alignment. Now, open the hood of your Lexus ES350. Look closely at the back or top of each headlight assembly. You'll find two adjustment screws for each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. The other controls the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. They usually require a Phillips head screwdriver. With your screwdriver, begin adjusting the headlights. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to raise or lower the beam on the wall. Then, use the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right. Make small adjustments, perhaps 1/4 of a turn at a time, and observe the changes on the wall. Aim for a clear, level cutoff line. After adjusting, double-check that your headlight aim complies with local regulations to avoid blinding other drivers. Take your Lexus ES350 for a test drive on a dark road to ensure proper illumination and visibility. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly aimed headlights and safer night driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.